YouTube, what's going on? It's your dude, Heaty, back at it with a brand new video. This time I want to take you guys through my top summer essentials for 2019. Before we start, of course, hit the video with a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and let me know of anything that I may have missed. So, first thing I want to start with are boxers. Okay, we all know mud butt and swamp ass are a serious contagious thing happening to men worldwide. Literally, the poo becomes tar. So what you need is something that's a bit more breathable, and what I have here are a bunch of boxers from a brand called PSD. Now, reason why I chose PSD, they actually chose me. They hit me up and said, hey, we love the channel, we love what you're doing, we want to send you a few boxers. I said, no problem, man, send them over and let's do something fun with it. So I'm gonna give away 5 pairs for free to 5 different winners. All you have to do is hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave it right here. It's at Thomas Wade West, and hashtag PSD on my last photo, whatever photo that is, and just hit me with a follow. Simple as that. A follow and 1 comment as a hashtag. I'll go through all the comments 10 days from this video, anywhere between 8 and 10 days, sure. And I will DM you if you have one, hopefully live in Toronto, and we can just meet up. If you live elsewhere, then I can simply ship you the boxers for free. You get to choose any one of these. We'll choose 5 winners. Maybe we'll choose more, I don't know. But let me know on Instagram, and hopefully that kind of sweetens the deal. Now these are similar to all the brands right now. Sax, you know, there's a bunch of other brands doing the same thing. Polyester, all right, super breathable, allows your whole set to have a little bit of air. And what I actually did realize as we're filming this, all of these are a size medium. So for the bigger fellas, we got a couple options. One, you can slim down, chicken thighs, no seasoning, or you can embrace it and display your horn and cobblers for the world. I have no problem with that. Personally, I have a decent shrimp set, but 2 smaller cobs, they look like a set of pebbles. Anyway, so sorry about that, but size medium, hope it works. Now I want to open up a pair for you guys to see. Quality, super silky. You know, you got a nice fun little design there for your loved ones, and then a waistband to just make sure everything just stays intact. I will have a coupon code down below if you guys want to browse the website. You get a percentage off your total purchase, and these things are very affordable, a lot of fun different graphics, and of course, to me, an absolute summer essential. It's gonna ring in cheaper than your Sax, cheaper than your other pairs out there, but exactly the same kind of quality. It's that silk, right? Big thanks to these guys for sending them over, and let me know on Instagram, and I'll be giving these away. All right, the next item I want to take you guys through is a watch. Every man needs a good watch. This right here I got for my birthday last month. It was my grandfather's. He passed away, and my grandmother says when Thomas turns a certain age, we're gonna give this to him. So this is very sentimental to me. And no, you don't necessarily need a Rolex. That's not a necessary watch. You can also get away with a bunch of different things. I mean, there's Seikos, there's Timex, you can get an Apple Watch. But the thing I want to get super specific on right now is the fit, okay? If you have tiny little twig arms that are 1 arm curl away from a fractured clavicle, stick to a smaller face, right? As you can see, I have like pretty medium to small hands, or arms rather, forearms. So I'm not gonna get something with a massive face, okay? We all know someone with, you know, a watch face that looks like a dinner plate and it's encrusted with those McDonald's diamonds. Do not be that guy, you know? If you're a huskier gentleman, on the other side, on the other hand, wear a bigger face. You know, you want something that's gonna suit your fat wrists. For me, this is a perfect size. It's not huge, it's not big, it doesn't totally stand out, it doesn't take over my arm. That would be my #1, despite of any watch you're getting, that'd be my #1 recommendation. Okay, my 3rd summer essential are t-shirts. Obviously it's hot, you gotta wear something that's comfortable, lightweight. And here are 2 options. This is gonna be a bit more expensive. I splurged a little bit on these. These are John Elliott tees. As you can see, you know, 0 branding on them. That's why I like them. One in that kind of heathered gray, and then I got another one in this white. I'll be really honest with you guys. These shirts go for like $120, $130 each. It's a little ridiculous. They are super comfortable, great quality, very thick. I mean, no one's gonna know it's a $130 shirt though. You're just gonna wear it, you're gonna know you're comfortable, you're gonna know it, you know, it's a great quality piece. But, you know, you don't feel like you need to spend that much. Do I think it's necessary? Absolutely not. This is a shirt from Zara. I bought this I don't know, maybe 3 months ago, and it's pretty much going to achieve the exact same thing. But end of the day, you're going to want to have a good fit, okay? Don't wear a medium if you have a barrel on you. All right, and don't wear an XL if you're a slender twig. You shouldn't be drowning in a t-shirt, and it also shouldn't be wearing you. Okay, so typically I wear like a medium, like a baggier medium to a slim large. That is just the fit that works for me. So find that fit, go to the store, try some stuff on, figure out what works for you. These are just box fit shirts. I also wear like drop tail shirts. You can have a bunch of different styles, and they can all work paired with a pair of jeans, denim, or shorts. Okay, here's an obvious one. Sunglasses. You want to protect your iris, because once those are gone, you're fucked. So basically, these are just a standard pair of Ray-Bans. Personally, I love this style with the polarized. Oh, you can see my nipples in the reflection. These are a polarized lens. Okay, this is beneficial because if you're absolutely blackout, you can still stay professional and you can't really see my eyes. I like this style a lot. These didn't cost me too much, maybe like 120 bucks, all black. And of course, depending on the size of your face or the shape of your face, you're gonna have to try a couple different styles on to see what works best for you. So if you like to splurge on clothes, you like to splurge on shoes, but realize after paying your mortgage, rent, car payments, groceries, you have about 4 Canadian Tire dollars left and a hair clip. These are a great option. These cost me $40 Canadian off Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below. And honestly, sound quality on these things is crazy. I bought these specifically for the gym, but found myself wearing them outside of that, every day. They fit really snug in your ear. There's a ton of reviews out there. I'll leave them there for you guys to do your own research, but I did a ton of research on these, and the differences between like a $40 pair versus like an $80 pair or $100 pair, according to reviews I was watching, were pretty negligible. So I was like, you know what, this is a great option. Comes with a power charging bank, has like a 16-hour charge on this thing, another like 4 hours a piece on this. It's a great option if you don't want to buy AirPods. All right, next up, man purses, aka the side bag, waist bag, whatever. Okay, some people may not be comfortable with this. At first when I saw these, I thought these were ridiculous. Obviously I'm kind of jumping on the hype train. I did actually wear these on a hike. I wore one of these, I wore this one on a hike, or I had a previous one, sorry. I wore on a hike. It was very useful. You put everything in there, your lip balm, your, whatever, and you can store everything, have a sling around your waist or your chest. This one is a Stone Island bum bag. It cost me not a lot. I probably paid about $175 for this. I bought it knowing that and I got a good price on it. So I bought it knowing that I'm gonna use it for a little bit, and then when I outgrow it or I don't want it, I can either trade it or sell it or whatever. So a little more pricey. This one I haven't used yet, but this is just a Champion waist bag, 30 bucks. Okay, it basically achieves the exact same thing. So depending on what you want in a bag, something a bit more higher end, or just something you're just gonna beat up and you don't care too much about, 2 good options for you there. All right, and of course this video would not be complete without a nice set of slides. These cost me 30 bucks. Great for the pool, great for the beach, great for just lounging around. I wear these all the time as kind of house slippers. But one thing I will recommend is if you're putting your bare feet in there, clip your goddamn disgusting toenails, all right, and get some lotion for your disgusting toes. That goes for guys and girls, because I'm sick of it. Swim shorts. Absolutely necessary in the summer. Polo, Ralph Lauren, have to show off. Did buy these at the outlet though for about 20 bucks. These are a size small. I actually want to start sizing down. You want to show a little bit of your thigh. Make sure you do a little bit of leg day before. But basically the reason why, and I'm going to be serious right now, the reason why you want to slim down a little bit on your swim trunks is because it actually makes you look taller. Okay, you want to show off a little bit of leg. Gone are the days when you have a swim short coming down to your knees or past your knees. This cut right now goes slightly above my knee. I think this complements anyone's style. You don't have to wear short shorts the whole time, but I do believe a good slim fitting swim trunk will be beneficial for your entire body. Of course, shorts. All right, I got 2 cotton shorts here. These right here, the Fear of God Essentials. This is what you buy on the first day when you get paid, and these here are what you buy when you're behind on the child support payments and you're part of that ramen gang. Out of all seriousness, this is a pair of bench shorts. They're not exactly that cheap. These cost me about $6 $60 odd, but I've had these. This is coming out to the second year of having these. This is a great short. Again, I like my shorts not fitting super baggy. I want them fitted. This cuts like right around the knee. The knee is probably like right here. Again, with these, if you are buying the Fear of God Essential shorts, they do fit big. So I sized down on these. This is a size small. These are a size medium. The size small, again, pretty big gap here with the thigh, but not as long, so fits for me a little nicely. I like this short a lot. I know it's a little more. It's going to cost you like 150 bucks or maybe 140 bucks, but you have the drawstrings. They, you know, they look kind of cool when they're all like here and whatever, and it's just really extremely good quality. It's almost like a terry cloth inside. It's like really nice, but you can achieve the same sort of thing with this short, same sort of deal. This is a bench short. I love this short a lot. I really like the color. I couldn't find this style anymore, but I highly recommend bench or going to like American Eagle or any of those big retailers. Okay, and before I jump into the main event, I'll show you two things that aren't essentials, but that I think are great. A jewel. Every girl loves a man with a mango jewel pod. And the second is an iPad. All right, I do everything with this thing. Again, not an essential, but great if you're traveling. I've watched everything on this. Parks and Recreation, The Simpsons, Game of Thrones, Casting Couch, Asset Cura. It's all done on this device right here. So if you have this, great. Throw it in a backpack. Not an essential, but definitely something you can use this summer. All right, and lastly, this is a sneaker channel, so I want to show you guys a couple pairs of kicks. One, this is the Common Projects Achilles Low. If you do any research or know anything about this shoe, it is a little expensive. These are gonna run you about $400, $500, you know, Canadian, maybe, I don't even know how much American. These cost me about $5 something. Not cheap. I haven't worn these yet. I've always wanted a pair. I saved up, finally got them. Beautiful shoe. You're dealing with like Italian calf skin leather or something. This is a shoe that people have for like, I want to say they have them for like 5 years, and you're just gonna keep wearing them. Amazing quality shoe. In the summer, you're wearing white. This is the shoe for that grown man look. But if you want to achieve something like this, you can. There's a lot of Adidas shoes out there that kind of look like this. Obviously, the quality won't be the same. But right now, what I'm wearing is the Air Force One Low. This shoe is like, this shoe cost me like 90 bucks, not 80 bucks. Super affordable, super clean. For summer, it's an essential. Throw this on with a pair of shorts, you know, like a box tee, and a nice watch, and you're good to go. I've worn these like maybe 3 or 4 times, still looking super clean. Air Force One, very affordable, 80, closer to $400, $500. All right, you guys, that's it for the video. Really appreciate you watching everything. Of course, I have that giveaway on some of those boxers down there. Hit me up on Instagram. You see the instructions at the beginning of the video. If you like the video, thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Lots more content coming. If I missed anything, let me know as well. Dude Heat signing out. Peace.